Hey y'all, it's Sharita, also known as Gracefully Natural, and in today's video I'm going to recreate a hairstyle that I saw Laila of Fusions of Culture do in one of her natural wash day hairstyle videos. It was a really cute hairstyle and I just thought that it was something easy that I could try to do. I did something a little different. Instead of pinning the twist up on the side, I pinned it up, or I merged it into my low ponytail, and then I also put two twists on the side. But I still think that I kind of mimicked what she did. It was really easy, really simple, and it turned out really cute. So shouts out to Fusions of Culture. Laila, I really like your videos. I really like your natural wash day hairstyles, and I just really think that the quality of your videos and your hairstyles are really amazing, and it gives me inspiration, and I just wanted to try one of these, so I hope you don't mind. But Laila, I took your style and just did it a little different. So if you're interested in see how this hairstyle turned out, then watch the entire video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and let me know in the comments section what you think of this hairstyle. How do you think I did? So continue to keep watching. I also want to let you know that I did start filming this video to try to show you how I did the entire hairstyle with the flat twist, but for some reason I lost that footage, but I wanted to still bring the video to you. So if you're interested in seeing how I did these flat twists, let me know in the comment section, and I'll do a separate video strictly focused on me doing these flat twists. Enjoy the video.